Hello, I'm Karma. I am 23. I'm from the Inland Empire, Moreno Valley specifically. I'm a musician, poet, artist, and event coordinator. I specifically hold open mic events. The goal is to attract the collective conscience through these events. I have a poem today called Hungry. It's been inspired by my experience living in LA. I think that if you are familiar with the city or visit here often, it's necessary, I guess, to hear thought-provoking pieces like this. So it's called Hungry. Here we go. Hungry. If I stay sober too long, I might burst into tears and cry a lake that could fill up stages. I've been hiding my feelings for years. 22. Libra season brought balance. Cleared out all the old fallacies. Virgo season brought judgment. It's between you and you, Karma. Make the shot or remain a dime a dozen. I said, fuck it. Threw the shot up, a little clumsy, under pressure, so I missed the bucket. You know how the story goes. Defense had more faith in me than I had in myself. That's the perspective of you hating hoes. I got fouled. Now I have the free throw. I take a deep breath, align my shoulders, knees, and ankles, and let it blow. 2 shots in your face in a row. We get the ball back. 360 shit. Karma's back. You don't want to see me. Not on the court, not in the field, and not on the track. Steady breath, steady faith, steady pace, repetition, Godspeed. I move fast, don't oversleep. Have to make it to work to eat. In LA, had to make it to work to eat. Everywhere I've gone, I have to work to eat. Niggas are selling work to eat. Bitches selling skirts to eat. Mexicans selling consumer standard products for dirt cheap just to eat. Sleep on the street, wake up, do the shit again for another 24 hours. They might take a break just to make sure their babies eat. Nigga, stand up. You have 10 toes and 2 feet, a brain between your ears, and genetics that have fought this battle and won it for years. You were perfectly crafted for this moment. Believe it or not, everything happens for a reason. You have a purpose. You're meant to be here. You're here to get scared. That's how you face your fears. You're here to cry. You won't walk around with a snotty nose for too long. You'll go and find something to wipe those tears with, swim or sink. You'll find your lane and you'll make the gear shift. Trust the process. Trust your purpose. Tap in to the powers of your hands. Who can you be? What can you do? Dance, nigga, dance. Keep the tempo. Stay on beat. Break the cycles, don't hit repeat, don't listen to the news, be aware of what you consume. It's deeper than what you eat. Niggas have to work to eat. I just got off, I'm hungry, the city lights are flashing, fuck, what am I gonna eat? Travel through time and space with me. Open your heart, say your grace. There are no cars here. We prefer the stars here. Imagination is the only key to your ignition. No wishing, no waiting. Thought translated to reality. Constellations resemble ancestors. The diamonds in my chain like glitters of the moon. Heartbreaks teach you fate. Cycles of life teach you when to change direction like a beat switch. I'm tired of the same loops. I'm ready to create some new mixes. Manifestations like bullets. I empty out the full clip. No time for the bullshit. If I can see it, I can take it. I know my destiny is mine, so I stay patient. I know my destiny is mine. Might seem crazy to the blind. My vision, it's sublime. Stardust travels from my mind to my third eye into my palm. I'm creating my destiny through these poems. I'm creating my destiny through these songs. I'm creating magic with the words like a witch doing spells using the book of Psalms. You can create magic too. Your tongue is a wand. Be careful what you allow in your subconscious. parents teach the children about subliminal messages so they aren't just blindly singing along. Here, between time and space, there is no right or wrong. There's only will or doubt. Your ability to maintain one will affect the other. No shame may exist here, no fear, only adventure and potential in every moment. Don't miss your chance. Listen to your divination. Hone in on it. Know that your fate is determined by the purity of your heart. Keep it cool, play it smart. Thought translated to reality.